Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue class 10 science. This is practice paper number 18. Key answer. Let us move for the part A physics. The first question of part A physics is light travels fast in dash water, air, glass, diamond. So among these four options, the light always travel fast in air. So the first question, the option is B, that is in air. It travels at a speed of 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Then so let us move for the second question. So in the second question they asked the path of ray of light coming from air passing through a rectangular glass slab traced by four students are as shown A, B, C and D in figure. Which one of them is correct? So here the light is entering from rarer to denser medium. Air is a rarer and glass is a denser. So among these four, which is the right one they asked? So option B is there. So this is the right path because the incident ray will falls on the glass slab, so inside the light will get that is refracted. Again the emergent ray is moving in this direction. So among these four, the right option is option B. So option B is the right answer. So now let us move for second main, that is the third question. So define one diopter. So how to define one diopter? So one diopter is defined as if the focal length of the lens, if the focal length of a lens is 1 meter, then the power of lens is 1 diopter. So power is equal to 1 by F. So now let us move for third main, that is fourth question. Third main, fourth question. So the third main, fourth question is write mirror formula 1. Second one, a mirror has a radius of curvature 30 centimeter. What will be the focal length of the mirror? So mirror in a radius of curvature ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು focal length ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Fourth A question, mirror formula 1 over F is equal to 1 over V plus 1 over U. This is for the A question. B, they have given radius of curvature as 30 centimeter. We have to find the focal length. So we know the relation between radius of curvature and the focal length. Focal length is half of the radius of curvature. Therefore focal length is equal to 30 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 15s are. So focal length is 15 centimeter. Like this we have to find out. Next let us move for fifth question. Write the uses of concave mirror. First one, in that one, second one, they have given if the angle of incidence is 45 degree, then what is the angle of reflection? So let us answer both the questions now. So let us move for the fifth one. Write the uses of concave mirror. So let us write the uses of concave mirror. So first one, it is used by dentist. It is used as a shaving mirror. Then it is used in solar furnace. It is used in solar furnace. Then it is used in headlight of a vehicles. Headlight of a vehicles. In that this is A. In that one, B question is there. So they have given angle of incidence is equal to 45 degree. What is the angle of reflection? According to first law of reflection, angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflection. Therefore, if angle of incidence is 45 degree, then angle of reflection is also 45 degree according to first law of reflection. Now let us move for question number 6. In the question number 6, they have given define magnification. 1. Write a ray diagram for a concave mirror where image size is same as the object size. So let us answer both the questions now. So first one, define magnification. A question, magnification. So magnification can be defined in two ways. Magnification is defined as it is the ratio of height of image. It is the ratio of height of image to that of height of object. Height of image to that of height of object. So now let us write here, magnification is equal to hi divided by h naught. Height of the image, height of the object. Or it can also be defined as it is the ratio of image distance to that of object distance. So magnification is equal to V by U. Image distance to that of object distance. So this is what we call it as magnification. Now let us move for the B question, that we have to write a ray diagram. So sixth B, that is we have to write the ray diagram. So in the ray diagram, this is a concave mirror. So this is the pole of the mirror. This is the principal axis. This is pole of the mirror. So this is principal focus. This is center of curvature. Now we have to get where we have to place to get image size should be equal to object size, means the image should be kept at center of curvature. So if the object is kept at center of curvature, the light ray which is parallel to principal axis, after reflection it passes through principal focus. Then the light ray which passes through principal focus, after reflection it is parallel to principal axis. So now here the image is formed. So this is B dash A dash. Where the object is kept, there only image is formed. Therefore size of the image is equal to size of the image will be equal to size of the object. So now let us move for seventh question. That is this is the last question of physics part. Define power of lens. 1. Find the focal length of lens of a power minus 2.0 d. What type of lens is this? So first let us define the power of the lens. So this is seventh question A. Power of lens can be defined in two ways. One is the ability of a lens either to converge or diverge. Then or it can also be defined as the reciprocal of focal length. The reciprocal of focal length is called as power of lens. So power of lens is equal to 1 by f. Then they have given one more question. This is A, and now let us move for B question. So in that question they have given find the focal length of the power of lens. Find the focal length they have given. Power is given as minus 2.0 diopter. So now we have to find the focal length. Focal length we don't know. So what is the relation between them? F is equal to 1 by P. So focal length is equal to 1 by minus 2. So F is equal to minus 0.5 meter. So one more question in that one they asked, what type of lens is this? So since focal length is minus, it is a concave lens. Since focal length is minus. So it is a concave lens. So by this we have completed that is physics part. Now let us move for part B, chemistry. So let us move for part B, chemistry. The first question is, amalgam is an alloy of copper and tin, mercury, lead and tin, and copper and zinc. So the right answer for this question is option B, mercury. Amalgam is an alloy of mercury. So fifth main, that is eighth question, that is option B, mercury. Now let us move for the ninth question. So in the ninth question they have given as, that is copper object lose their shine and form green coating of dash copper oxide, copper hydroxide, basic copper carbonate, and copper carbonate. So for this question the right answer is option C, basic. Option C, basic copper carbonate. Basic copper carbonate. Now let us move for the sixth main, that is question number 10. In the question number 10 they have given, what is thermite reaction? Give example. So what is thermite reaction? A reaction between metal and metallic oxide, which is highly exothermic. A reaction between metal and metallic oxide, which is highly exothermic, is called as that we call it as thermite reaction. So let us take example for thermite reaction. So I will take two example. Example number 1, that is 3MnO2 plus 4Al give rise to 3Mn plus Al2 2Al2O3 plus heat. Then example 2, that is Fe2O3 plus 2Al give rise to 2Fe plus Al2O3 plus heat. So since it is highly exothermic, energy will be released in the form of heat. So like this we have to answer for 10th one. Now let us move for the 11th question. What is an alloy? Then name the different types of copper alloy and their composition. So now let us move for the question number 11. That is 7th main, 11th question. So what is an alloy? This is a question. So first let us answer that one. So what is an alloy? An alloy is a homogeneous mixture of metal with metal, or metal with non-metal. Then the second in that one B question. So name the different types of copper alloy. So copper alloy bandre first one is brass. So brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Then bronze. Bronze is also an alloy of copper. It is an alloy of copper and tin. So copper and zinc will become brass. Copper and tin will become, that we call it as bronze. Now let us move for question number 12. Question number 12. Why copper is used to make hot water tanks but not steel? So let us answer this question. So copper is used to make hot water tank but not steel, because the first reason is copper does not react with water or does not react with water or steam. Then the second point is, so copper is unaffected by temperature. Unaffected by temperature. So these 2 points made to use copper in. So these 2 reasons made to use copper for making that is tank, but not steel. Then let us move for the 13th question. So explain the formation of magnesium chloride by electron dot structures. So now for this question, option, that is first step number 1. Step number 1 is metal loses electrons. So among that one, metal here is magnesium having atomic number 12. So distribution of electrons, so 2, 8, 2. So now metal loses electrons. So magnesium atom having configuration 2, 8, 2. By losing electron, magnesium atom will become magnesium ion by losing 2 electrons. This is step number 1. Then step number 2, non-metal gains electrons. Non-metal gains electrons. Here the non-metal is chlorine having atomic number 17. So the electron distribution 2, 8 to 7. So now chlorine atom having configuration 2, 8, 7. By gaining 1 electron, it will become, so chloride ion 2, 8, 8. So this is step number 2. Now let us move for step number 3. In step number 3, formation of magnesium chloride. Formation of magnesium chloride. So here Mg, so plus here 2 electrons are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 electron will get transferred here. 1 more electron will get transferred here. So it will become MgCl2. So like this, the formation of electron dot structure will take place like this. This is the formation of magnesium chloride. Now the last question of chemistry is, give reason. Food cans are coated with tin rather than zinc. Then we can store copper sulfate solution in a silver vessel, but not silver nitrate in a copper vessel. Addition of some copper to pure gold for making ornaments. So let us answer all the 3 questions now. So 14th, give reason. First question, food cans are coated with tin rather than zinc because zinc is more reactive than tin. That's why tin is used. Then we can store copper sulfate solution in silver vessel, but not silver nitrate is because copper is more reactive than silver. Then the third question, addition of some copper to pure gold for making ornament because pure gold is very soft. To make it hard, copper is added. Otherwise, so for making jewelry, it is not possible if it is pure. Pure is very soft. Therefore, so there will be some addition of some quantity of copper is added to that one. to make it hard. So now let us move for part C, biology. The first question is Spirogyra reproduced by multiple fission, binary fission, budding, fragmentation. So among the four options, Spirogyra is reproduced by option D, fragmentation. This is ninth main first question, that is option D. It is a 15th question, that is fragmentation is the right answer. Now let us move for the 16th question. So the 16th question is plant like banana, rose, jasmine have lost the capacity to produce seeds, buds, roots, flower. So that is option A, seeds. Option A, seeds. Now let us move for the 10th main, that is 17th question. So 17th question is what is fertilization? So the process of fusion of male gametes with female gametes to form zygote is called fertilization. Now let us move for the next question. So in that is 18th one, in a seed what is the function of cotyledon, plumule and radicle? So cotyledon, it stores food for nourishing living embryo. Then plumule, it grows as a future stem. Radicle, it grows as a future root. Now let us move for question number 19. So in question number 19, they asked what is asexual reproduction? What are the limitations of asexual reproduction? So now let us move for that is 19th one. What is a question? What is asexual reproduction? A reproduction in which only single parent is involved. That is called asexual reproduction. Then they have given what is the limitation of asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction, no variation is observed. Second one, no transfer of so second point is, first one is no variation is observed. So survival advantage, so no survival advantage. So survival advantage will be less because there will be no variation. So this is for 19th one. Now let us move for the 20th question. So 20th question is what are the functions of testes? Why are the testes are located outside the abdominal cavity? So now let us answer this question. So what are the functions of testes? The first function of testes is it secretes a hormone called secretes a hormone called testosterone, which is responsible for secondary sexual character. One. Second one, it produces sperms. Then Second question. Why are that? Because sperms are produced. Because sperms are produced only if the temperature is 3 to 4 degrees Celsius less than our normal body temperature. So this is the answer for 20th. Now let us move for the 21st. So name the steps of reproduction in plants. Then draw a neat label diagram for germination of pollen grain on stigma. So now let us answer question number 21A. So 21A, name the steps involved in reproduction in plants. The first step is called as pollination. The second step is called fertilization. Then the third step is called seed formation. And the last step is called seed germination. So 4 steps will be involved: pollination, fertilization, seed formation, and seed germination. So by this we have successfully answered all the questions related to practice paper number 18. So in the next video we are going to answer for practice paper number 19. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos, and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So thank you very much for your great support. Once again, thank you very much.